In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add FVG Sessions Indicators in TradingView Pro quick and easy guide. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. We just need a chart on the screen. At the top of your chart, you'll see a toolbar. Look for the button labeled Indicators or the icon that looks like a graph with a little plus sign. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Once the indicator window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search field. This is where we're going to find the FVG Sessions Indicator quickly, instead of scrolling through long lists. Now in the search bar, carefully type FVG Sessions. Take a second to double check your spelling so the right results show up. As you type, TradingView will start filtering indicators in real time. You should see FVG Sessions appear in the list below. When you see it, click on the name to add it to your chart. After you do this, you'll notice new markings, zones, or highlights appear directly on your chart that represent the FVG Sessions. That means the indicator has been successfully added. Next, we want to customize and manage this indicator. Move your cursor over to the section above your chart where all your active indicators are listed, usually near the top left. Find FVG Sessions in that list, and then look for the small settings icon next to it, which usually looks like a gear. Click on that to open the settings panel. Inside the settings, you can adjust things like colors, line styles, visibility on different time frames, and other options depending on how the script was created. Take a moment to explore these settings so the indicator matches your personal trading style and is easy for you to read. When you're happy with your changes, you can click OK or close the window. If at any point you decide you no longer want the FVG Sessions indicator on your chart, you can remove it just as easily. Go back to the list of indicators above your chart. Hover over FVG Sessions, click the small options menu or right-click on it, and then select Remove. The indicator will immediately disappear from your chart, leaving everything clean again. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more indicators, more charts per layout, and an overall smoother experience, use the sign up link in my video description. That will take you directly to the TradingView page where you can create or upgrade your account and start getting the most out of tools like FVG Sessions.